Your rain coming. It's that line right there. Move it in this afternoon. So yikes,
and
the next couple of hours.
Just
yes.
right in their face. Oh.
At least the temperature's above freezing now. It wasn't early this morning. And look at the wintry scenes out of Worcester County. This picture came from Pepperell. You can see everything is covered in sleet and a little snow. Townsend, the same deal. Tom sent this picture in early this morning. Nancy and Gardner doing the same. So we actually did measure an inch or two of sleet and a little snow accumulation out through a lot of Worcester County. And you can see here the amount. So a bit of a wintry side to this system as well. Temperatures now in Worcester County running in the mid-30s. Elsewhere, we have snuck over 40 degrees, but just barely. 42 in Boston, actually 50 in Plymouth now, but that is only part of the story because we have the stronger winds. So look at the next 12 hours. You can see a couple of things. Those winds don't go anywhere. Temperatures slowly creep up by this evening as the winds turn to the southeast, close to 50 degrees. But we are dealing with this rain off and on heavy at times through about 8 o'clock tonight. So you get the idea. It is wet out there, and that is not changing. Here are the wind gusts over 20-30 miles per hour. There is a wind advisory here in southeastern Massachusetts where we could see gusts 45 to 50 miles per hour as a line of downpours approaches a little later on. Out ahead of that line, the winds have been strong enough occasionally to bring down some trees and tree limbs, and that's where you see these blue dots here. These are all reports already of some storm damage. The other thing we're watching is the high tide, which is happening in the next couple of hours. So until 2 o'clock, we'd have a coastal flood advisory. Bit of a surge, a foot and a half or so, could lead to some minor coastal flooding on typical shore roads that experience that. So if you live along the coastline, a heads up. It's all in response to this storm, which has brought severe weather to a good portion of the country and a lot of wintry weather as well. But it's this line of downpours that we're going to track here through the rest of the afternoon. So here locally, got some heavier rain right now over Boston, Gloucester as well. To the south, we've been tracking a couple of bolts of lightning. You can see one here just west of Taunton right now, east of Providence. And I think there's more of that to come as we watch everything kind of lift up from south to north. And it's this line right here that has some lightning strikes with it here off the tip of Long Island. These are the heavy downpours that are going to work on through starting, I think, at about 2 o'clock this afternoon. You can see that line pushing in to Worcester County and the western suburbs. It will cross on toward the city of Boston right around 4 o'clock this afternoon. So between 2 and 4, as this line moves through, the rain intensity is going to pick up half an inch to an inch per hour. There could be some lightning with this and certainly those gustier winds. This line will start to diminish and really hug the coastline through about 6 o'clock tonight, and thereafter the rain slowly tapers off. So we will dry things out tonight as the rain comes to an end. The winds diminish. Eventually our low temperatures drop into the upper 30s and lower 40s, but it's above freezing overnight. And tomorrow is a mostly cloudy day with just a few pop-up showers and temperatures in most spots sneaking just above 50 degrees. Our storm really is pulling away tomorrow, but the upper level energy hangs back, and that's what may produce a pop-up shower or two. Now the temperatures tomorrow come up into the lower 50s, but the best part of the day I think is going to be before lunchtime. Once we get into the afternoon, you can see these showers kind of popping up here and there at random. They're with us into the evening hours, and then it's dry again overnight. Wednesday may be the pick of the week, and then as we head toward Thursday, that's our next chance of seeing some widespread rain as the system moves through. It's going to be a fast mover, and it should kick out enough on Friday that we start to dry things out. And once that clears out, it does look much nicer for the upcoming weekend. But of course, we've got some heavy rain to get through this afternoon. Watching for the thunder and lightning as well.